Top 12 Cybersecurity Apprenticeships with High Earning Potential in 2025. Can you be the next cyber defender? Hackers attack businesses daily, stealing data and causing chaos. Cybersecurity apprenticeships train you to fight back, giving you hands-on experience to stop threats.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
With 4.8 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs, companies desperately need skilled professionals. This career offers job security, high salaries, and endless growth. Are you ready to step up and protect the digital world? One of the main reasons young people choose to do a cybersecurity apprenticeship is that they can earn while learning. This means they can enjoy financial freedom sooner than those who graduated before them. A career in cybersecurity is one of the few that makes a real difference in the world. In this article, we will explore the top 12 cybersecurity degree apprenticeships in the UK for 2025. We shall also explore their earning potential for all these jobs and apprenticeships. Let's delve deeper into further details. What is a cybersecurity apprenticeship? Cybersecurity apprenticeship is a structured training program that can combine practical work experience with formal education. As reported by QA Training, the cybersecurity apprenticeship programs can successfully arm organizations with critical technical security know-how and give them soft skills to become the defenders of the future. Formal cybersecurity education can equip young individuals with knowledge and skills to protect systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. For all the written academic work for a cybersecurity apprenticeship study program, you can always seek personalized help from assignment writing service online. Now, we will share the details of the 12 best apprenticeships for cybersecurity that promise the highest earning potential to students in 2025. Let's examine all the opportunities thoroughly. 12 best cybersecurity apprenticeships with the highest salaries in 2025. Apprenticeships offer a pathway to high-paying careers in the dynamic field of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity has become an integral part of all organizations. It is important to ensure that organizations' sensitive data and critical infrastructure are safe from different kinds of emerging cyber threats. Although these apprenticeships pay well, it is also important to remember that money is not everything when it comes to these opportunities. You must also consider the knowledge, connections, and experience that you will gain from these opportunities and what value they can add to your dream career. The following top 12 apprenticeship programs for cybersecurity can provide students with the best earning potential in 2025. Let's explore all the details. 1. Civil Service Security Cyber Apprenticeship. This is a Level 4 apprenticeship that comes with a salary that most university grads will envy. If you are living in London, you will be paid enough to manage all your expenses of living in the capital city. With this program, you can learn cybersecurity ins and outs, from encryption to digital forensics. When qualified, you can also pursue a permanent role in the range of existing departments and do your part to keep the UK safer for others. Pay range £24,327 to £28,050. 2. Santander Economic Crime Apprenticeship. If you are into banking channels, you must have heard the name of Santander. It is a big name in the banking industry, and as per Best Apprenticeships, they have around 140 million customers around the globe. When you hear about the economic circle, you might have heard about Santander. The cybersecurity training at this company can help students climb the ladder of career success and progression. You can join their team in either Bradford or Milton Keynes. For 24 months, you will have to investigate the clients for financial fraudulent activities. You can also earn ICA certificates in this industry, as fraud is quite a big issue in the banking industry. Pay range up to £26,000. 3. Tesco Finance Apprenticeship. Spending 2 years here, you can gain for understanding of the Level 4 accounting apprenticeship that can let you earn a decent wage. After completing the SIMA professional qualification, you can complete the education for a further 3 years following a 3-year finance graduate program. Tesco is a well-known name in the world of finance that train the cybersecurity apprentices. You can find this opportunity in Hertfordshire, where Tesco's goal is to prove that finance is more than just numbers. These well-paid apprenticeships can help you learn successful business operations. Pay range up to £23,000. 4. NatWest Group Customer Service Apprenticeship. 5. BP Software Development Apprenticeship. 6. Malware Analyst. 7. Penetration Tester. 8. Information Security Analyst. 9. Cybersecurity Administrator. 10. Network Security Architect. 11. Chief Information Security Officer. 12. Cloud Security Engineer. To be continued.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.